Hello everyone. Today I am going to start a new topic related with accounting ratio. Topic is classification of accounting ratio. Let's start. Accounting ratios are calculated by taking data from financial statement. On the basis of financial statements, accounting ratios are classified into income statement ratio, balance sheet ratio, and composite ratio. A ratio of two variables from the income statement is known as income statement ratio. In case both variables are from balance sheet, it is classified as balance sheet ratio. If a ratio is computed with one variable from income statement and another variable from balance sheet, it is called composite ratio. Although accounting ratios are calculated by taking data from financial statements, but classification of ratios on the basis of financial statements is rarely used in practice. For financial analysis, ratios are classified on the basis of purpose of analysis as follows. First, solvency analysis. Second, liquidity analysis. Third, turnover analysis. Fourth, profitability analysis. I will clear it one by one. First, solvency analysis. It is also called solvency ratio. Solvency of business is determined by its ability to meet its contractual obligations towards stakeholders, particularly towards external stakeholders, and ratios calculated to throw light on solvency positions are known as solvency ratios. Second, liquidity analysis or liquidity ratio. To meet its commitments, business needs liquid funds. The ability of the business to pay the amount due to stakeholders as and when it is due is known as liquidity analysis, and ratios calculated to analysis it are known as liquidity ratios. Next, turnover analysis or turnover ratio. It is done to throw light on the efficiency of operations of business based on effective utilization of resources. Ratios calculated to analysis these are known as activity ratios. Next, profitability ratios. It refers to the analysis of profits in relation to sales or funds employed in the business, and the ratio calculated to meet these objectives are known as profitability ratio. The above classifications of ratio does not mean that they are independent. In fact, these ratios are interrelated and mutually affect each other. For example, profitability depends upon profit margin and turnover of funds employed. Long term solvency of the business is dependent upon its profitability, and from short term point of view, it is significantly affected by its liquidity position. Now, I will discuss about these ratios in detail. Solvency ratio. Solvency ratios are calculated to determine the ability of the business to service its indebtedness ratio, which throw light on the debt servicing ability of the business in the long run, are known as solvency ratio. Solvency ratios are calculated to measure security of debt. For this, debt equity ratio, proprietary ratio, fixed assets proprietary fund ratio, etc. are calculated. Security of return on debt. To measure security of return, interest coverage ratio is computed. Thank you.